to show you how to use virtual backgrounds. So these can be used for all different types of students. You can use them for your AAC users, like a core board as I have here, to focus on different language goals. You can kind of use them to focus on whatever you'd like, and you don't necessarily need a green screen. So today I'm going to show you how to do it on Zoom. So I already have a virtual background set here, but I want to show you how to use a document and screenshot it to make it fit your screen. So I'm going to open up the core language board that I have. So here is the PCS core board. So I'm going to post the link. This is from the Universal Core project, and they have symbol sticks, lesson picks, PCS, and I believe one other symbol system for core language boards. So let's say you wanted to use this poster. If you're on a Mac, you're going to click Command-Shift-4, and you are going to screenshot some of the border so that it fits across your entire screen and you don't lose any of the symbols. Depending on the document that you're using, you might need to change how much you screenshot. Then you're going to go over here to the video and click Choose Virtual Background. You can upload right here by pressing the plus, add image, and it will save to your screenshots on your desktop. So here you can see that for the most part, a little bit of the top got cut off, but you can see every single symbol, all 36 core symbols, and you can move yourself around, move your computer. Let's say you wanted to say up. Let's go up, and you can point. You kind of sometimes have to move your finger a little bit closer so it doesn't get blocked out, but you can move your finger around. You can even make a circle with your hand to draw attention to a certain symbol. You can do two hands to draw your fingers to a certain symbol. So it's up to you, but you can keep this as your background and do a session this way. And I'm just going to go back and show you one more thing about the virtual backgrounds. So let's say you're using a document. When you first open it, it usually comes up something like this. And if you screenshot it this way, it's going to be too big. You're going to miss out on the symbols. So what you need to do is zoom out. So you can either click this right here. It's a zoom out feature, scale document down. Or again, if you're on a Mac, you're going to do Command minus and press as many times as you want so that you have more of a border. And then again, you can do that screenshot. So let's include a little bit more from up here so that we're not losing any of those top symbols. And we'll try that screenshot. So now let's see if we can fit them all in. Again, you're going to go to Add Image. It'll save to your desktop. And there you go. Now none of the symbols are cut off. And you can see all 36 core symbols. So this is one way to use virtual backgrounds. Another thing that I really like to do is using virtual backgrounds for inferencing. So I have some fun PCS board maker free downloads here. I can link those in the description. And something else I really like to do is go to different places. So I'm in the library now, and I would say, students, where am I? How do you know? What do you see? Oh, you see the books. That's great. That's how you know it's the library. You can do the park. How do you know I'm at the park? What do you see? What would you like to do here? Ask some open-ended questions. The classroom. I've done the supermarket. You can talk about different things that they like from the supermarket, different foods, the movie theater. You can go swimming. So there's a lot of different fun things that you can do with this, and you don't necessarily need the green screen. Something else I love to do is if your student has a reinforcer that they really love, you can use that to draw their attention. Thomas the Train! So there are a lot of fun options here. I would love to see what you do and how you use your virtual backgrounds, and I hope this short video helps give you some great ideas for your teletherapy sessions. Can't wait to hear about what you do.